After the steel pipes are rolled, we will start to weld the spiral steel bar to the pipe. This process is only available for double-wall casing tube. First, mark the size on the casing. The gap between the spiral steel bar is 150 mm, which can increase the strength of casing tube. Then our workers will start to lay out spiral steel bars. The size of the spiral steel bar will be different according to the diameter of the casing. We have two types. One is 12 mm, the other is 18 mm, and generally we use 18 mm. Now we start to weld spiral steel bar. Here is manual welding. Our workers have more than 10 years of welding experience. After welding, we will put outer casing on the spiral steel bar at this product shown. The inner diameter of this product is 1,550 mm. The outer diameter is 1,650 mm. We can see that the thickness of the inner casing is 10 mm. The thickness of the outer casing is 20 mm. And the total thickness after adding the spiral steel bar is 50 mm.